Hi, this is Susie Oliver with Tulsa Community College. We're doing classes today, Chapter 11 in ZyBooks. We're going to go through sections 1 through 5. We'll do the sections 6 through 10 in a separate video. If you have a large program, you could have thousands of variables and functions, and that's hard to understand. At least splitting it up into functions helps some because it places it into various modules. In the physical world, we're surrounded by basic items made from wood, metal, plastic, etc. But to keep the world understandable, we think at a higher level in terms of objects, like an oven. An oven allows us to perform a few specific operations, like put an item in the oven or set the temperature. You can also have things on the oven, like the dials and the thermostat and things like that. So it's helpful to think of programs in terms of objects. Now, we had structured programming prior to classes, and that worked pretty well for many years. But having objects and classes is a further enhancement. It's not absolutely necessary, but it makes things easier if it's done correctly. All right, let's say we have a bunch of runner information, like the distance of the run, the time it was run in. We want to have a function called getSpeed and a function called printRunnerStats. And we've got information about the crowd, how many spectators there are, ticket prices. Normal is $5, number of students is 75, ticket price for students is $2, and then have a function called calculate revenue. Python automatically creates certain objects known as built-ins, like ints, strings, and functions. In Python, everything is an object. For example, my string equal quote hello. The value of the string is quote hello is one part of the object, as are the methods like isDigit and lower. And you call those by using the name of the variable and a period, and then the name of the function, and then parentheses. The parentheses may or may not have arguments inside that get passed to the parameters in the functions. When you create a program as a collection of objects and do it correctly, it can lead to a much more understandable, manageable, and properly executing program. On top of that, it can be reusable. So you can use your classes in other programs if you did them really well and did them in a really generic manner.